Welcome back to MedTech Insights. Today I'm joined by Debbie East-Nuttall, Head of Medical Business Development at Kiwa. We will be previewing Debbie's conference talk at our upcoming event, MedTech Expo. Debbie will be presenting her talk titled Approvals Route to Market at 11:20 to 11:40 on day 2 of the show. Debbie, first of all, can you give a quick preview of your conference talk?
At the conference, I will be sharing really how to simplify the process of achieving ISO 13485, but also more importantly, getting your medical device to market, which I think is really key for a lot of companies. So in my talk, I'll be trying to simplify the process, which is always good if you can make things simpler for people. I'm going to actually go through the process so it becomes clear. Look at timings, because often people don't think of timings, and getting a device to market timings are key, and actually thinking about them early enough is also key. Then I'm also going to share, because I've been in the industry probably 35 years, I'm going to share some common pitfalls that I've seen companies make along the way. So I think it's a really interesting session, and I think people will, even if they only get 1 or 2 tips from it, it's well worth attending.
And who will benefit the most from attending the session?
Well, I guess the people that will benefit the most are small startup companies or companies that are actually in the process at the moment of either implementing a management system, thinking of getting a device. I mean, there'll be people in earlier stages and later stages, but I think they'll all find something from my talk that will perhaps, I don't know, inspire them, make them think a little bit more. So, yeah, it should be good for quite a broad range of innovators.
It sounds like there's going to be a lot of insights for people on the day, but if you had to pick one main key takeaway that you wanted people to leave with, what would it be?
I often get asked this, and I was looking to see if there's one, and there's actually quite a few, but the main one I would say, and I always say this to people, know what you know, but more importantly, know what you don't know. In this field, there's a lot of experts, and there's people like me who work for certification bodies, notified bodies, who are happy to answer questions. And no question is too stupid. So know what you know, and more importantly, know what you don't know. And if you don't know, ask or seek an expert. So I think that's the best piece of advice, really.
Well, it sounds like it's going to be a great session, and thank you very much for your time today. I'll see you on the 4th of June.
Okay, that's lovely. Look forward to it. Thank you.